Racing Jazz is started with Blueberry. Break quickly at start. Palos is running by the rail. Lenoria Zadapol does up. Breaking Bad Love. Rossi Mudslide Slim getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. The next on line is the Lady Wins while Pradera Verde is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with the fast is stepping Blueberry on its favorite position as the face setter. Enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Palos in second. Breaking Bad now moving up to take third. Then comes Apple Deuce up Love Rossi. Mudslide Slim the Lady Wins while Pradera Verde now racing in less. And at the fourth turn we have two runners now matching their strides together. Blueberry and on the outside is Breaking Bad. Palos is racing in third. The next on line Apple Deuce up Love Rossi. Mudslide Slim comes next. Then followed by the Lady Wins while Pradera Verde is still racing in less as they swing for home. We have Blueberry now he strides away by about 5 lengths. Breaking Bad. Palos moving upon the outside. Love Rossi last 50 meters. The curtain closer. Blueberry. Palos. Love Rossi. Breaking Bad. Then comes Apple Deuce up.
Okay mga kaibigan, for our final race for this